Hey, all right, guys. Welcome. So, into the close here in the markets, we're going to record a recap video for today. Looking at the ES right now, trying to break that $62. 41.62. Finally, pushing towards the 41.66. So we're gonna talk about the ES. We're gonna talk about the oil. So let's go back to the ES now for a minute. We are leaving some singles now in today's market profile. Let me show you what's going on with that. So right in here around 41.50, we will have some singles to be repaired coming up tomorrow. Looking at the move right now that we are doing, really nice, breaking 41.60 above, now pushing towards the 66.50. That's not bad at all. So let me see, can we take a trade right now on the ES quickly? Let's see if we can make some money into the close. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what are we doing here on 64. Let's see if they're gonna rip it higher. There is a good chance. We have some small move, but look at this, right from the 50s, we went long around the 50 even. We got out at almost, what was it, 61. Then we shorted 61 down to, I think it was 56, where we get out. So looking good over here. I believe we can get another spike, so that'll be really nice. Let's put this like this. And the good chance is that we're going to get another spike here. Looking great. So far, this move was really nice. Oh, there you go, 63. They just printed 63. I just closed one of my contracts on my other account. That's great. I was able to close one contract. Let me see. Well, now it's 62. Let's see if I can get another one at 62s. We are 57.50 is our TPOC, so there is a good chance that we can pull back all the way to the point of control around 58. So I would like to see if I can get short right there on 65. So let's go ahead and do that. They're gonna push it here in the last 10 minutes. Let's see if we're gonna get another push to the 66 area and wait for it. So one thing is we did pretty good today on some of the stocks. What do we do right now on apps? Let me see. I think I have it positioned on apps. Great. So apps is about 78, 70. It was a big move on APPS today. I mean, look at this thing. It just bled this morning. We got out this morning at 87. And for that, I will go over our portfolio trades for today. Right. This is our portfolio. Today we did about three or four trades for today. Some of them from yesterday. We got some pretty good return. I'm still long some of the Baidu at 209. I'm still short Twitter. I'm long Crocs. So there is a lot of trades that happened today in the room when it comes to stocks. If you look at it, I'm long. Reloaded apps at 77, 70, then got out. Now it's a 78.62. I sold some covered calls on that. So good action that we are seeing. For that, Baidu got out at 211. We went long around 208. Twitter, I'm short 71.30. Looking to see if Twitter is gonna give us the 70 maybe tomorrow. Crocs, I am long 78.70. I'm actually looking for a trying to sell a spread into the close. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm trying to sell the May credit spread for about I think $1.65. So if you look at Crocs, let me show you Crocs. Currently, I'm trying to sell right here 5 credit spreads, but it's going up. So I don't think I'm gonna get it. I was trying to get $1.65 for those ones. Let me go back to apps, see if I can get it below 77. I would like for them to sell it right now into the close, right? See if they can grab it back here to the 78, maybe 77. No news today, no idea what happened, but pretty good trade, oil today, as I mentioned yesterday in the room, we went long. I took one lot long around 62.60, excuse me. I'm going to give you more details on that because I told you yesterday on the video to look for this move. All right, so did only one lot this morning. Let me show you. Let me go back to the market profile. Okay, and let's go back to oil and show you what happens, right? So yesterday, the video, I was talking to you guys and I said, listen, there is a good chance, here's the settlement from yesterday, 63.20, that we will revisit the top of these singles. And just like that, we did it this morning. So took one long 62.60 and changed 67, I believe it was, and got out somewhere on 63.30s, right where we are. So I didn't capture this 63.57, but it was a good move anyway from the lows to 63. For tomorrow, it's going to be interesting if we're going to start finding value in oil, right? So let's go back to the oil trade, look at the overall picture. This is what we have. We have these singles that they need to be repaired. For a moment, I thought today they were going to get them, but once I saw the double bottom on the B period on oil, I decided to go with it and took some good chunk of it, about 60, 58, 57 ticks on it. So what do we have for tomorrow? Well, let's look if we're going to develop more value between the 62.50 and 63.50. That is about $1 move on oil for Friday. I would love to get them back on the $62. I've been telling you. See if we can repair these singles tomorrow, hit the 61 and start getting long oil around this level. All right. Let's go back to the ES. Apparently there was some good trade on the ES. Let me go back to it. At the close, they are pushing for this 62. They tried a couple of times to go on the 62, 63. Let's see, are they going to give us any good trade? We're stuck in this 62, 65. Let me place an order to sell the 62, 65. Let me do a bracket here. Maybe collect 3 points and maybe a stop of 2 points. I don't want to give too much on this one in case they rip higher. We have 5 minutes to go. Not the best ideal trade. I always do them before lunch, but this one could be a good retracement back to the point of control. So let me see what do we have on the ES currently. Yeah, we are right at the top of K period. So good chances is that they're gonna rip it higher back to 66. So let's wait up a little bit, see if we're gonna get it at 66. Place an order here. Let me place an order to sell, just in case we get that 66.25, 66.25. Let's see if we're gonna get it. All right, one more thing, 62.25. So, oh, no wonder. Why am I seeing this? I was just wondering why I was looking at the confirmation. Maybe I got rid of it. So trying to sell the 62s. Let me place an order here to get out and look at what are we going to do tomorrow. The most important thing is to plan for tomorrow. I like this value, and now we have a nice, if we leave this could be a good, very good excess at the top. I would like to see it even higher than this and print the 41.80. So the 41.50 for this week has been achieved. In the video from Monday or Tuesday, I believe I told you guys to look for 41.50 and even the 41.75. There is a good chance that we are going to hit 41.75 by Friday. And look at us today. I mean, today we just really close to 41.75, right? Really close to 41.75. Let me roll over this contract to June. Yep, let me roll it over. I'm probably going to start trading on Monday, the June contract on oil. All right, these guys are not going to give me the 65. That's not good. They are pulling back to 61 already. 2 minutes to go in the markets, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, about 2 minutes. Let's see what are we doing with Baidu. I have one on order still on Baidu. Baidu is 209 right now. I was waiting for at least 211, 212. So we'll see how it goes. Nice rebound on Tesla, by the way. I mean, Tesla, we have a pretty nice rebound today from the 720s. Now back at 740. That was pretty good. Apple stuck between 134 and 135. Netflix finally made a move about the 750 this morning, right? Baba, nothing to do on Baba. So let me take a look at all my positions right now, see if I can close anything with 1 minute to go. They are not going to execute my Crocs. So, yeah, I'm long Crocs, 78.69. Twitter, let's see if Twitter is doing something. 71.20, short. Let me see, Twitter. Now it's a 71.75, it's about 50 cents. Looking to add if we go to that 73 level. Looking to add on this one. Let's go look at apps, see what apps is doing. Well, look at apps. All right, apps is dropping. You see that 78 coming up? That's nice. So I want to grab it right at 77 on apps. Let's see if we can grab there. 78.06. There you go. I am long now, 78.06. I'll probably put my profit at 82 for tomorrow. And my stop there, that's good. Good. 5 seconds to go. Long 78.06. So let's go put it here in the room. And there you go. The market is closed. Let's see how we're going to settle. All right. Let's go and into the close. So right here, up straight. Right, long 78.06, target looking for 80, 81 tomorrow morning, right? 81, a stop, actually my own risk because I'll be looking to add, and I'm gonna go into details about that. My own risk, looking to add 75, if I see 75, 77s, that'll be a great entry. There you go, that's my latest up straight. Let me see if Baidu got executed. Baidu, no, it's a 210.23. I'm waiting for 211 if you look at my target on Baidu. So nothing to do on this point with that. Let's go back to Crocs. Did Crocs bounce on the, not really. We'll wait for tomorrow. BYND, nothing, no direction today. Apple, let's see, Apple's, well, nothing to do with this mess with Apple. We're gonna wait it out. For tomorrow, I'm looking for adding to my Boeing below 245 or around 245 for tomorrow. That will be a good trade on Boeing. Let's look at the ES, how it's going to settle. Oh, they didn't give us the 266. So I have an order right now to sell the 266 after hours. Let's see if they're going to give it or not. But not bad. I like this distribution that we got today. Not bad. I really like this. And we have this nice excess. So tomorrow we can start finding value and fix these singles. The most important thing for tomorrow is see if we're gonna fix this 4150, right? So start looking for this repair to happen. We left some singles in the B period. We were one time framing higher. During the E period, we did try to repair them, but we stopped right at it, right? We stopped right at the 4150. So that's going to be for tomorrow. Tomorrow trade will be to look for repairs into the 4150 and then looks if we can consolidate here and go back up to the 4180 on that. Oil, in the meantime, nothing to do. Like I said, oil, look for a potential retracement back to the 6260 area. keep finding value here, and then potentially break out to the 64s next week. If not, a reversal wouldn't be that bad, because we know that we have all this repair to be done, right? We have tons of singles that we left on the move from yesterday inventory. So either way, it's looking pretty good, right? Good collection of ticks that we can have on that. On my other stuff, like the performance so far for the stock portfolio, looking good. For this week, we only have like I think one or two losses. This one, and actually that's the one for the week. Tesla, which is only about less than 0.5%. And then everything else has been good. Good returns for about 2-3% with digital turbines, Crocs, the TQQs, and digital turbine again, and then some calls and Apple yesterday, and some Baidu today. So not bad at all. I'm gonna leave you guys with the details on what to do for the ES, as we mentioned before. Start looking for moves into the 4180 tomorrow. But what would be important tonight is whether or not we're going to hold this 4150 coming during the Globex area. If we start consolidating here during Globex, I would probably see if Europe can take us all the way to 4175, maybe 4180 before we even open the market tomorrow morning. Oil trade, I'm going to repeat it again. Look for consolidation into the 63s, maybe the 6260s, right? These are the two numbers that I'm looking for, 6260s, the 63 even, to take it back to the 6350s and back to 64. That is on oil. One thing that I did not cover today during the video is gold. Gold was amazing today. We talked about on Monday about the long with 731 and 734. We went long 734. Took some of it at 736 and a half, and some of it at 738. I couldn't grab it last night. I mean, last night I missed this overnight trade. It came again to the 734, and look at this baby, all the way to 70 today. So that was a very nice move on gold this morning. So look up for tomorrow, see if we can retrace back, but I missed that today completely. All right, guys, this video is already pretty long. We talk about the stocks that we took and what positions do we have. So we are long 7806 on digital turbine. We are long Crocs coming for tomorrow. We are short Twitter. Twitter, I do not have a stop. We're losing only 50 cents on this thing. But I like this 73 to add some more here, and maybe we can get it back to 70 or even 69 on Twitter. So we're going to hold off to that. So I'll leave you guys with this video prep for tomorrow. Let's see what the ES is doing. I'm going to have to cancel these orders on the ES. They are not going to 66. Cancel those orders. And everything else did great today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the big button to subscribe, and also click the notifications bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Remember, eslive8.com. That is the website to visit if you guys would like to subscribe to the page or come and hang out at the Discord live server. Just go ahead and click the live chat, and I'll be adding you with all the roles necessary for you to play around with us and see us trade live every single day. Thank you, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye now.